The tram network reached its height in the late 1950s, with 17 routes, totalling 76 kilometres or 47 miles. Today, the fleet consists of 10 modern articulated trams dating from 1995, used exclusively on the coastal Route 15. Half of these have been adorned with all-over advertising, while the rest wear Carris's corporate yellow and white livery. The majority of the fleet is made up of 45 four-wheelers, known as the Remodelados, originally dating from the 1930s. These are used on the 4 central routes, having been remodelled in 1995 from standard cars. These 1930s vintage vehicles were of stronger construction than the later built lightweight trams that became worn out by use on the hilly routes. And we join Route 28 at its western terminus next to the cemetery at Prazeres. We shall be travelling the full length of the route through the heart of the commercial district to Martin Monit Square. Turnout here makes a complete circle to allow a little flexibility if trams get out of order or develop a fault. Without it, there'd be no refuge until Estrella, a mile further on. We're now entering a fascinating part of Alfama, a largely traffic-free area with motor vehicles severely restricted. At 6 miles long, coastal Route 15 is the longest, the articulated trams providing vital capacity for the many popular tourist spots served on the route. The tram line from Martin Monit can be seen in the foreground. We're now in the heart of the city and at the starting point for routes 12 and 15. Diverging from Route 12, our number 15 turns into the Rua dos Fancarros, one of the city's main arteries down to the commercial centre.